What's up, everybody? I'm gonna do some analysis here for you. Me and my cat, he's been watching me do charts for hours and he just got worn out, so I'll do my best without him. So let's get into it. Let's look at the euro dollar. This has been a real pain in the ass here lately. I got some zones marked. Let's get to it. On the daily, what I'm looking at here is we got a low, a high, a higher low, a higher high, and now we are pushing, really we're past this higher low, so I think price is going to come down. There's really no clear level. I'm guessing 14.5 is a possibility, and the reason for that is I'm looking back here in July of 2017. I really don't believe that it's going to go this low, but I'm looking for a worst case scenario as I do anytime I analyze anything. I don't see going this low. I just don't see it. So right now, we're still in this zone. It's been holding strong. We've had some peaks below it, but my gut says that we're going to hit 1.15. 1.145 is definitely a level to keep an eye on. I'm not going to touch this trade until it drops. I think the US dollar is going to weaken in time, and that's going to give us a lot of huge opportunities. So for right now, I think the smart thing to do is to wait for the dollar or euro dollar to drop down here. Or if it's not going to, if we get a clear reversal here, we are going to, I think by the end of the year, we're going to be back up at least up to here. Let me zoom in a little more. I do believe we're going to be back up here. It's just hard to give a time frame right now with these trade wars and the euro weakening. My moving averages are showing further drop. So really until this is starting to come back up, I'm not going to get excited, but it is nice to be at such a low where we're below almost to the I can't even say it, psychological level here. So let's just wait for the bottom. And long hold traders, I would buy this at the bottom and hold it till 1.24. Swing traders, scalpers, we're going to have an opportunity to have thousands of pips on the way up here. So there's nothing going on right now but just to wait for the bottom to be found, unfortunately. Let's look at dollar yen. Today kind of shocked me. I expected 114 to be the top, and we started dipping, and now we're all the way up here at 114.29 at the moment. In 36 minutes, if this candle closes within my zone here, I will buy it up to this level. And the reason for that is, let's look on the daily, is our previous highs, 2017. Yeah, so we're looking back to February 2017. If this zone breaks, then we're looking at a huge trade. You can see back in 2015 we're up 124. I have expected this to be a huge short trade eventually here. So I think most traders are looking for a short here as well. down in this level here. 109.5 is the number to really keep an eye on. My daughter gets out of school early today. Right there, so if price drops below there, it's going to rapidly decline down to here, which I believe we're going to be in this area. I'll have to reanalyze as it happens, but yeah, so we're just waiting for a top, just like euro dollar. We're waiting for a bottom. So we got two huge potential trades in the making. NZD Chief, I don't know, Swiss franc. I've had this analysis going for a while. Nothing exciting. This is 4 hour. I'd rather show you some other trades. Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar. We're looking at the last time it was below here was July 2010. So we either have one massive short or we have one massive long. We just have to wait for this zone right here to determine which direction we're going. So far, this is holding up nicely. British pound, Canadian dollar. This is my analysis from Sunday, and prices come down. Looks like it's going to retrace and come back down further. That's just basic analysis. NZD CAD, I entered here, and I'm up 95 pips right now. I'm looking for this huge target down here from October 2015. So we'll see what happens there. I think we'll have a huge trade on the other direction. Once we get to the bottom, ZRX hit my target here. I'm waiting for a more clear reversal to buy, but I think that's going to be a good trade. Canadian dollar, Swiss franc pushed above this zone. Now I'm waiting for this level to be broken to buy, and I will buy up into this level. So that could be a good, nice trade here. Caravan forex signal. Don't know who that is. Ripple still holding on this downtrend. Once this level here is broken, price is probably going to come down. I don't think it's going to stay down long. It's being pulled down right now by mostly by Bitcoin's plummet. It broke trend, retested, and I do expect price to come down into this zone now. Hopefully, once we hit this and we come back up, I think we're going to finally break out and start working our way up close to the $10,000 range, which will also trigger a bull run across the market. All altcoins, I think Ripple has a chance at $5. We'll see. Some big things could happen. British pound, US dollar. I think we've found a bottom here. If we look at the weekly, I got a lot of stuff on here. This level right here, which is where it bounced off right here. This is a pre-Brexit level. So Brexit began, and we pushed above that level. This was a strong level. So I don't see falling below 1.27. Really anything below 1.3 is a good buy in my book. So I am in this trade now long. Once we break above 1.32, I think this has a really long ways to go up. I think we're going to pass this level as well. But that is a massive amount of pips, maybe 2,000 when all said and done. So for now, that's going to be it. I hope I didn't really dive into my analysis, but I just wanted to share it with you. And I will be making more videos from here on out. So Hey, say goodbye. Hey, say goodbye. Hey, hey, say goodbye. Bye.